I told you.
Hang on, can you say that again?
I said, look at the size of that gator hiding right there.
Okay, point him out.
I told you there was a big bull. I could hear him making
There he
noise.
is.
He's right down there.
Way down there. And we're at the Shark.
That's what he was
What's the name of this place? Shark Valley Observation Tower. It's almost like having a drone without a drone. Nice breeze up here and some shade. That way's south. How'd you like to take a walk through there? Hey, Crystal. Over there's a couple more big ones. Crystal, over there's a couple more. See them? Over by the dead tree.
Yes.
Florida gar. This is definitely worth the trip up here. We skipped it last time because there was too many people.
Yeah, you can't go all the way to the top. They got it blocked off.
You know why they do that? Because people nowadays are not as smart as they used to be. Yeah. In the olden days, that wouldn't have been marked off. Look how big them gar are right there.
I know, they're huge.
Should have brought your fishing pole. Man, that one probably 3 foot long.
I know, they're all over out there.
Wow. Okay. There's a crow. They're up to no good.
Sorry, right, she already corrected me on that.
What does that say? Water data. Okay. That must be giving off water data.
We've been up here quite a while.
I'll go now.
Alright, everyone's gonna go potty before we go.
Yep.
An earlier way of life. As you look out across the Everglades, imagine living here. People once did. Okay. Yep. They've been up here a long time, they said. Okay.
I bet you this little girl.
Well, you ready to head down, or are you gonna hang out a while?